G'day, welcome to my channel. Sky Pilot here. The Rekon 3, as promised guys, I've got a new Speedy Bee VTX antenna on the back here, and I'm going to see if I can get some better range out of this cracker little long range that sports the funky 18650 Lion. Pretty cool design, fairly well put together. I've flown this a few times. I'm really happy with it. Excellent VTX, a really nice smooth flyer. It is called a long ranger, but it's not really all that long rangey because it comes with a linear antenna which doesn't really do it much justice. So I've ripped her apart and shoved on a little Speedy Bee. Link down below about the Speedy Bee, and obviously I'm running TBS here, Crossfire. Let's take it up and let's push it as far as I dare without my GPS rescue and see how it performs. Have a quick fly and we'll come back for a yarn. Okay, no battery strap required because this thing clips in that well. She ain't going nowhere. Quite a soft tune on this, guys. You really do need to work those sticks a little bit to get this thing up and moving. Now I do know just by the road here my VTX would pretty much just about cut out where I'm here, so if I get anywhere near this road, which I'm going to quite easily, and oh wow, look at that, not even starting to break up. Wow. Hey guys, 350 milliwatts. Now if you've got one of these folks, put one of these antennas on it. Oh, that is excellent. Oh, I'm really impressed. Have a look at that. I think I can probably get just about all the way over to that house. It's starting to break up now, get a little bit more altitude. I'm actually certain I can go a lot further than this, guys. Oh, I'm really genuinely impressed. I really do want to go a little bit further. I'll stay above the road in case I fail safe and drop. I don't need to go any further. That's cracker, guys. I'm really impressed with that. That's gone a flaming long way. Let's go back home, shall we? Goodness me. Yeah, folks, Speedy Bee, little Speedy Bee VTX. Who'd have thought? That's turned it's turned this Rekon 3 into a reasonably exciting short long ranger to a very exciting long ranger. I think out in the open field you're going to be able to do some pretty crazy things with this little fly on 18650 Marvel. I don't have my TBS patch on my goggles today. I've just got a fox ear, which does make a big difference too, so I should have mentioned that earlier. So yeah, I'm actually thinking that's going to perform even better with that patch antenna on. Not a freestyle unit, guys, absolutely not. You've probably heard me say it before anyway. It's more of a slow and steady win for the race type of drone. Making sure there's too many branches here, hopefully I won't hit anything. Yeah, drop me a comment, what do you think guys? Do you like the VTX? Have you got one that's gone further? I'd like to put a GPS on this, but I don't think I can. There aren't any spare UARTs, which is a bit of a pity. Look at the kangaroos down here. Always good to have a quick roost spot. Right, I don't think there's any there. Just about out of power folks. I'll just do one last hill climb and finish off with a quick line of sight. Okay, time to land. What a little gem guys, absolute little gem. Not a freestyle unit as I said, no. You try and do something like that on it, it's not going to end well. Really nice smooth flyer. Well, thank you Speedy Bee. That little right hand circular polarized lollipop on the rear that I put on has done an absolute fantastic job. I got further than I would have ever thought I would have got with this Rekon 3. Stock standard linear antenna, I have tested it a few times, doesn't go all that far, so yeah, if you've got a Rekon 3 guys, yeah, grab one of those and chuck it on. Super easy job. Any questions, drop me a comment, I'll help you out. Of course I've got the crossfire receiver on. Really nice VTX, really nice to fly. I'm interested to see how far I will actually go out in an open field without so many trees. I think it's going to be a heck of a surprise. Nice little flyer, good fun unit, great price. Fun to fly, and it's nice you can just load up with those 18650s and pop one out and chuck another one in and off you go again. Handy for those day trips. Yeah. Drop us a comment, thumbs up, good to see you. See you again real soon. Take it easy guys. Bye for now.